Good morning, class. So, in the former lecture on transformation of sentences, we finished with the two topics of interchange of affirmative sentences to negative and vice versa, and the second one was assertive sentence to be changed into interrogative and vice versa. Today we are going to move on with the third topic of transformation of sentence, that is adding question tag. Now in this topic, the rules will be the same as we have done for the transformation of assertive to interrogative. In assertive to interrogative, you had to write the whole sentence, but over here, while you are adding question tag, you just have to add two words at the end of the sentence, right? I'll give you the example. Now this sentence is, I am not going to school. Now the rules, again I am telling you, the rules will be the same of what we have done the transformation of assertive to interrogative. That means if the given sentence is affirmative, your question tag will be negative. If the given sentence is negative, your question tag will be affirmative. So here, I am not going to school, it has a negative word, no, not. So your question tag, what you will be adding at the end, it will be affirmative, right? That means in question tag, the negative word will not be used. Now what you have to do over here, you just have to interchange the place of the helping verb with the pronoun or the noun given. If the noun is given, you have to change the noun into pronoun, because while adding question tag, you will not be using the nouns of the given sentence. You have to turn it into the pronoun and then you have to add the question tag. Suppose now over here, I am not going to school, as it is a negative sentence, your question tag will be affirmative. That means you have to interchange the place of am and I, and then you have to add question mark. So this is your question tag what you have added. You need not have to write the whole sentence. You just have to add the two words at the end of the sentence and you have to put the question mark. Now, this is when the sentence is negative. Now if the given sentence is affirmative, suppose if I remove the word not from here, I am going to school. Now this sentence is affirmative, that means it is without any negative word. So your question tag what you will be adding, it will be negative, right? And generally when we add the question tag, we use the short form of the words used. So here, I am going to school, your answer will be am I not, or ain't I. The short form of am I not is ain't I, right? As the given sentence is affirmative, your question tag will be negative. Now this is understood to you all. Now what if there is no helping word in the sentence, right? Over here again you have to follow the same rule as we have applied in assertive to interrogative, that if you don't have any helping word like is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, can, could, all these words, then you have to go for the verb of the sentence and then you have to apply do, does or did. Do and does we go for present tense and did is used for past tense, right? Now I'll give you one example of this type of sentence also. So now here, when the sentence doesn't have any helping verb, we have to first find out what is the verb of the sentence. Now here the verb is cooks. We have found out that it is the verb of the sentence. After you find out the verb, you have to find out that the given verb is in which tense. That means you have to find out the tense of the verb. Now cooks is in the present tense. So as we have done in interrogative and assertive sentence, if the verb is in the present tense, we will apply either do or does. Now again I will tell you when to use do and when to use does. Do is used with I, we, you and they. That means do word is used generally with the plural form of noun where I is the exception, and does is used with he, she, it. That means it is used with the singular form of noun. Now here mother, my mother, here the noun is in the singular form. Mother is the noun and it is in the singular form. So we will be applying does. And as the sentence is in the affirmative form, so your question tag will be my mother cooks delicious food, and the answer will be doesn't she, because the sentence is in the affirmative form, so your question tag will be negative. Now see, I have used the pronoun of mother. You cannot write the same noun. You have to change or you have to apply the pronoun of the given noun when you are adding question tag to the sentence. Okay? The same way you have to go. If it was here, my mother cooked delicious food, then you have to use the word did. Again, the rules will be the same. If the given sentence is affirmative, your question tag will be negative. If the given sentence is negative, your question tag will be affirmative. Now, as this sentence is affirmative form, so your question tag will be didn't she, and it will always end with a question mark. Thank you.